only 75%, and this is where I'm confused, of the AFP modernization projects were implemented. So funds were released, they were obligated
to pay.
but only 75% of the AFP modernization projects were actually implemented. So may I be clarified?
Because ma'am, the
regarding
releases
this.
are only to
Oo.
fund current
fund-
obligations with a very small window
Yes.
for new projects. And if we acquire new projects, then the automatic appropriations on the RAFPMP will balloon because of the debt payments you need to make. Because it's only for the initial down payments that we can do with the free portion. This year, of course, with 100 million, we can't do much.
Yeah.
However, that was by design. Since I requested the DBM, please make sure that our MOE is much bigger.
Yeah.
So that we can accommodate the newly acquired helicopter, the newly the past ordered but arriving capabilities that we need to, and most expensive will be the 3 C-130J models that will come in next year.
Okay.
And the MOE for those aircraft will be very high.
What does this mean then? Is there legislation needed to change this because it's all based on the revised
Yes,
modernization program, or do you just review it, reassess it, and no legislative action is needed?
I think number one would be the special provision that we are requesting earlier to contract foreign loans. And then perhaps on this budget, the revised, what is the source of the revised, the latest horizon? Was there a Republic Act? No. What's the Republic Act? So do we need to amend 10349, or can we place a special provision on the current budget saying that 10349 horizons are going to be reverted for? We'll give you the legal support for that, Your Honor, because the basis is Republic Act 10349, and maybe we can just simply repeal it with transitory provisions for payment of past obligations.
During our organizational meeting, the good secretary mentioned something about
Repeal. Yes, ma'am.
Is this what you mean?
Yes, ma'am. That is
So,
what we mean.
how is that if we're not able to repeal the law and this budget is approved the way it is?
Anyway, ma'am, if you're not going to be able to repeal, it will not make much difference. We will not just be able to acquire new, substantially new ones. So it's more
But the repeal
important.
of the law is very important. Is it relevant now and we should repeal it by
Yes, ma'am.
November?
Yes, ma'am. Because it creates a paradigm of slowness in the acquisition and non-prioritization of the urgency of defense.